Hi there guys, this is LRC6. This is our leather cleaner that's designed for pigmented leathers. Can also be used on faux leathers, vinyls and stuff like that as well if you want to. This is obviously the mousse version and it's designed for leathers that are more fragile than a standard sort of pigmented leather that you would get in like a traditional car or a traditional pigmented leather sofa. So obviously with the mousse cleaner, again, you need to give the bottle a really good shake to shake that up. And you're going to pump up the top, use a foam applicator pad and pump up and get out a solution very, very similar to like a sort of shaving cream, a bit like a squirty cream in fact, and you're just going to rub that in. This is a pigmented calfskin jacket that we've got here, so we're just going to rub that in like so and just give it a real good clean. And the purpose of the mousse is to, it lasts longer on the surface than what a spray does. And obviously it's designed for more delicate areas, because what you're not doing with a spray, with the mousse, is hitting the leather straight away. This is sort of working in, allowing you to work it into the surface to get really good deep cleaning without sort of over wetting the area and making it, too wet and causing problems, once it's drying out. That's the beauty of it. So obviously with that, you would just simply wipe away any dirt that you can see on the surface with a white terry towel or a white lint-free cloth. And as you can see, there's nice, some dirt coming off there where we've gone and cleaned that with the leather cleaner. So again, just simply spray on, like so. And I'm just carrying on going up this panel on the back of the jacket here and just massage it in to the leather like so in a circular motion or a straight line motion. It doesn't really matter which way you do that. And then again, we're just going to wipe the dirt away that's on the surface, and that'll then leave you with a nice clean surface of leather there that you can then put protection cream on. And again, you can see the dirt coming off there quite clearly. So again, this has a beautiful leather aroma. So obviously when you're cleaning with the LRC6 foam leather cleaner, you're instilling that beautiful sort of smell. This is in a 250ml spray bottle. All our mousse cleaners that we have in our range, including a luxury one, the aniline one, and this one, they all come as a 250ml pump spray mousse action, so that you can create the mousse, because it's obviously designed for much finer surfaces. So that's our mousse cleaner, LRC6. Thank you.